Hi everybody, nice to meet you. Now let me show how Anstar H60 works with rear and front camera. First, you can see this, the page list. Yes. Strap brush, cartridge, many H60, rear cable. Yes, the USB cable. Now I will show how to switch on the rear and front camera video. Let's go. First, yes, you can slide down the camera. Yes. Switch on the cartridge. Yes. Connecting line. Yes, connecting line. Yes, cartridge. Yes. Switch on. Yes. Yes. Okay. All right. Yes. The rear cable. Yes. The front video show. Yes. The front video. Yes. Now I will show the rear cable show. Yes. Yeah. The rear video, you can see. Yes. You can see this. Yes. The rear video show. Yes. The rear video. Yes. Switch on the front video. Yes. Slide down. Yes. Slide down. Okay. All right. Look at this. Okay. Okay. All right. Slide down left to right. Left to right. Yes. Rear video show. Yeah. Turn red. Turn red. Yes. Turn red. Yes. The front video show. Yes. Okay.